Yo, Brian here. I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses on these Oakley Frogskins. First, we're going to pull up on this portion and slightly pull down on this portion and pop it through from the back. So we're just going to pull. Boom. Just like that. It's not very graceful, but that's how you're supposed to do it. Let's do the other one. Pop right out. All right. Now I'm going to put the new ones in. Pretty simple. They go, you want to seat them in this by the nose first. And it should just pop right in. Yep, see that? So you want to seat it in the nose first, kind of this area first, and then pop it in from this edge. Okay, so see how it's seated into that right now, and then I should just be able to clip. Ooh, went right in. Thanks for watching.
Yo, Brian.